In the last video on this channel, heritage turkeys came in last place, $140 a month, worst performer out of 7 animals. And if you're raising a handful of turkeys the same way most small farms do, selling live birds at Thanksgiving, maybe a few poults in spring, that $140 figure is honest. But here's what that number misses. The slow growth timeline that makes heritage turkeys frustrating in a commodity market is the exact reason they dominate a premium one. Narragansett and bourbon red turkeys aren't fast food. They're a luxury product with a 28-week finish window, documented genetics, and a buyer base willing to pay 5 to 10 times commodity pricing if you're selling to the right market. This video breaks down the 3-stream income system that turns that scarcity into $3,200 a month, not in peak months, as a 12-month average. We're going to show the full math, what each stream earns when it earns it, and what a 30-hen premium operation actually costs to build. Most commercial turkey operations run broad-breasted whites. That bird hits market weight in 12 to 16 weeks, produces a massive breast, and sells for $1.50 to $2.50 a pound wholesale. It's an efficient calorie machine optimized for industrial processing. It's also genetically sterile. It can't reproduce naturally. Every replacement bird has to be purchased from a hatchery. Heritage breeds are the opposite. Narragansett, bourbon red, standard bronze, royal palm. These birds mate naturally, finish at 25 to 28 weeks, carry superior flavor, and their genetics are replicable. Once you own a quality breeding flock, you own an asset that compounds. You're not buying replacement birds, you're selling them. That distinction is the foundation of everything that follows. The 3 income streams in this system don't compete with supermarket turkey. They operate in 3 completely different markets: hobbyist genetics buyers, small-scale producers who want a head start, and premium direct-to-consumer holiday buyers. The commodity industry can't touch any of them. The first stream is hatching eggs, and it runs from roughly February through May. Heritage turkey hens lay seasonally. A quality Narragansett or bourbon red hen will produce 60 to 80 eggs during the spring laying window. That's not year-round production. It's a concentrated surge that matches exactly when hobbyists and small farmers are trying to start or expand their flocks. Here's the math for a 30-hen breeding operation. 30 hens at 60 eggs each during the spring season equals 1,800 eggs. You sell 50% of those as certified hatching eggs and hatch the rest for your Poult pipeline. That's 900 eggs, 75 dozen, going to market. The pricing is where heritage genetics separate from commodity. A dozen certified Narragansett hatching eggs from a documented breeding flock sells for $50 to $65 on eBay, Etsy, and direct farm listings. Buyers aren't paying for eggs, they're paying for genetics with a paper trail. Set your price at $60 a dozen. 75 dozen times $60 equals $4,500 for the season. That entire revenue window happens in 4 months. It averages to $375 a month across the year, but during peak laying the cash hits fast. Where do you sell them? eBay hatching egg listings, Etsy, and local Facebook homesteader groups for immediate reach. Build a farm email list from your first year's buyers. That list becomes your most valuable asset by year 2. A buyer who purchased your eggs this spring is your most likely repeat customer next year and your first call for holiday bird pre-orders in August. The number 1 mistake in this stream is skipping the genetic documentation. Buyers pay a premium for certified pure Narragansett or bourbon red, not mixed heritage assortments. Register your breeding flock with the Society for the Preservation of Poultry Antiquities or the American Livestock Breeds Conservancy and reference that documentation in every listing. The second stream is where the bulk of the annual revenue comes from: started poults. You're hatching the other 900 eggs and selling 6-week-old started poults. The pricing logic is simple. A day-old heritage turkey poult is fragile and has meaningful mortality risk in the first 2 weeks. A 6-week-old started poult has cleared that window. Buyers pay to skip the hardest part of brooding. Day-old heritage poults sell for $12 to $15 each. 6-week started poults from the same genetic cell for $35 to $45. That price gap is your return on 6 weeks of feed, labor, and heat. 900 eggs at a 70% hatch rate produces 630 poults. At 85% survival to 6 weeks, you have 535 poults. You hold back 50 for your holiday bird batch. That leaves 485 started poults to sell. 485 poults times $40 each equals $19,400 across April, May, and June. Monthly average across the year, $1,617. In April and May alone, this stream can push $6,000 to $7,000 a month. That is the seasonal reality of this model, not $3,200 every single month, but $3,200 when you average the full year. Where to sell: Facebook Marketplace and local homesteader groups for fast local transactions. For buyers outside your area, USPS Express Mail handles live poultry shipments. Ship Tuesday or Wednesday to avoid weekend holding. Post on backyardchickens.com classifieds and build a wait list. Serious buyers will reserve spring spots in February. The number one mistake: underpricing to move volume fast. The demand surge in spring is real. Buyers are competing for quality started poults, not hunting for the cheapest available. If your genetics are documented and your survival rate is above 80%, price at $40 and hold. Dropping to $25 to sell out fast leaves thousands of dollars on the table. The third stream is holiday placement, and it's the most straightforward, but only if you execute the deposit system. Commodity Thanksgiving turkeys sell wholesale for $1.50 to $2.50 a pound. Heritage turkeys finished on pasture and sold direct to local buyers sell for $12 to $18 a pound. On a 20-pound dressed bird, that is the difference between $30 and $360. Here's how the deposit pre-order system works. In August, you open pre-orders. Buyers from your spring hatching egg and poult sales get first access. You charge a $50 non-refundable deposit per bird. This does two things. It eliminates no-shows, and it gives you a real sales forecast before your birds hit peak feed cost. The math for 50 birds going to holiday placement: 50 birds, 18 pounds average dressed weight, $17 per pound. That is $306 per bird. 50 birds times $306 equals $15,300 in November. You collected $2,500 in deposits in August. The remaining balance comes at pickup. Annual average, $1,275 a month. Where to sell: local buyers only, no shipping. Local Facebook farm and food groups, local chefs and restaurant buyers, eatwild.com, and localharvest.org. Every holiday bird buyer is a hatching egg customer next February. The number one mistake: skipping the deposit system. Heritage turkeys require 25 to 28 weeks of feed at higher cost than commercial breeds. One no-show at Thanksgiving is a $300 loss per bird. The deposit is non-negotiable. Now let's stack the three streams together. January is near zero. Your birds are maintained but not producing. February and March, hatching eggs begin. $500 to $1,500 a month as hens reach peak laying. April through June is the money window. Hatching eggs are still running and started poults are shipping. Combined, these 3 months average $5,000 to $7,000 a month. July and August are quiet. Birds are on pasture. Feed costs continue. Open holiday deposit pre-orders in August. November, $15,300 in 1 month. Total annual gross, approximately $39,200. Monthly average, $3,267. Monthly costs, $300 for feed, bedding, incubator electricity, and shipping materials. Net monthly average, approximately $3,000 a month. Startup cost to build this operation, $4,700 to $5,450. The fast path is buying 30 adult laying age hens at $75 to $100 each. First hatching egg revenue hits within weeks. Starting from day-old poults at $12 each cuts upfront costs to under $400 in birds. But you wait 7 months for the first eggs and do not see full revenue until year 2. For operators not ready to build to 30 hens in year 1, a 20-hen beginner tier nets approximately $1,900 a month at the same pricing structure. That is still the highest single animal income figure this channel has covered. The reason heritage turkeys come in last in commodity comparisons is that commodity is the wrong market. This isn't a Thanksgiving side business. It's a genetics operation with 3 distinct buyer pools, none of whom compete with a grocery store. The 3-stream system works because each stream feeds the next. Hatching egg buyers become Poult buyers. Poult buyers become holiday placement customers. Holiday placement customers become your highest converting hatching egg pre-order list next February. If you found this breakdown useful, the next video covers a system with a $250 startup cost and 0 land requirement, one that can be running profitably within 30 days. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Acre Income, because the best farm fits in your backyard.